Hey everybody, it's Neil and check out what I have here. I have a big pack of VHB heavy duty hook and loop. So let's go ahead and I'll show you what we're talking about here. So we got a few different shapes and sizes. I have been using this one here. This is the second set I have. This one here is what I use for my little stick-up cameras, like those little Ring cameras and things like that, because this here has a really strong hook and loop. That's not falling off of anything. And then these are the 3M VHB, which is that very high bond sticky stuff. So you just basically just peel it off and you are able to, if you're not looking in the light, it's probably much easier. But here we go. So I see it. And also if you have some nails, it'll be easier as well. Okay, but it's going to be a black, boy, I'm just having dickens of a time. I mean, I got it, but it's just hard to even pull the backing off right on this one here. Okay, there. So you see it's just a black tape, and holy cow, even just putting my finger on it, it's there. So, I mean, I've used this same stuff here for my, even the car wiring, things like that. I've put some tapes around there so it'll hold on things like that. I think my, what's that called? The camera, that's up in the corner, I don't know, the dash cam. I have my dash cam connected up with this as well because I need to be able to take it down at times. So these things are great. This one here, you get a whole set of a whole variety pack of different shapes. You have this shape here, and you have some round ones here as well. So you can pretty much connect anything up. It's always great to have these things around because they come in handy for sure. I mean, I'm using these things almost on a daily for just random stuff. So anything you need to hook up, you'll need to really be able to remove. Even some of the Ring cameras and cameras around and things like that are decorations in the house. You can just put these on the bottom of your decorations so they don't knock over if you have kids around. Just super uses for everything. Thumbs up for sure.